honestly, I don't wait to fall sick anymore. I have started adding Imbo to my routine. It's quick, natural, and supports daily immunity. Just 5 minutes a day and I feel more active and balanced. So if immunity matters to you, this one is worth trying. So this tiny sachet from Bharat Bhaishajyashala is packed of 18 herbs plus Mandoor Bhasm. It targets Pratishay, that is allergic rhinitis, at the root. You have to just rip open sachet, dump entire powder straight into your mouth, swallow quickly with saliva. No water, no chewing. Now let me tell you why it works. So it's not just tradition, there's a hard science backing it. Proof of efficacy study, open label randomized control trial versus standard drug. 93% complete symptoms relief, sneezing, blockage, discharge down, slashed immunoglobulin E levels, zero drowsiness. Ayurveda plus evidence is equal to unbeatable. It also has antihistaminic properties. As a doctor, I always recommend to take it under qualified guidance because dose, timing and your reports matter. So why not try it? Comment allergy for tips, save and share with someone you know who needs it.